Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to check plagiarism on Grammarly. So go to the Grammarly app dashboard and sign into your account. Now click new doc or open upload existing one uh, here. As you can see, new doc upload text of PDF. So let's go with new doc. Now wait a few moments. All right. Now what you're going to do is check here on the bottom or on the right corner where you see these icons, and if you hover over you will see basically which item is which. So here most at the end is plagiarism checker. So you will click on that. Wait a few seconds for the system to scan your text against billions of web pages and academic database. And once the scan is complete, Grammarly will show you an overall originally percentage score. Any text flagged as a match will be highlighted in your doc. You will see here on the right hand sidebar the exact URL source of the matching material along with a link to generate a proper citation. So yeah, in this exact file we don't have any copy text detected. But if you have it, you will have all the information right here on the right side. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the